When analyzing the growth of chatbots on Facebook Messenger, these have increased from 11,000 to 300,000 between June 2016 and April 2019, according to Facebook itself. In those years, basically, although these technological artifacts are on the rise, previous studies indicated that chatbots suffer from problems linked to their infancy, resulting in high failure rates and user skepticism when it comes to the application of AI based chatbots. Non AI based chatbots are also possible with predefined answers being automatically sent, for example. If users treat chatbots differently, their compliance as a response to recommendations and requests made by the chatbot may affect basically everything. This may thus call into the question the promised benefits of the self-service technology. Therefore, it is important to understand how the design of chatbots impacts user compliance. Following the social response theory and anthropomorphic design cues, the well-established social response theory has defined the way for various studies providing evidence on how humans apply social rules to anthropomorphically designed computers. Consistent with previous research in digital context, it has been defined anthropomorphism as the attribution of human-like characteristics, behaviors, and emotions to non-human agents. The phenomenon can be understood as a natural human tendency to ease the comprehension of unknown actors by applying anthropocentric knowledge. Moreover, previous research has revealed that while human language skills transfers easily to human chatbot communication, there are notable differences in the content and quality of such conversations. For instance, users communicate with chatbots for longer duration and with less rich vocabulary. Think carefully about this. As individuals, the density of information is reduced but collectively compensated by automation, total information transfer would increase. Sounds great until we remember that at the end of the day, we are social entities. What about robots? Are chatbots social entities? Well,